Part 9 of the Tips for Teachers series, Access Reports. Access reports provide information on the individual's activity statistics. You can see page views, times visited, and last viewing time. The stats represent students and teachers alike. To view the access reports, you must have access to the People tab in your course, with instructor permissions and above. Select the People tab. From there, mouse over the user you wish to observe. Select the vertical ellipsis on the right side of the row. Select User Details from the drop-down menu. On the new page, select Access Report. From the More About This User column, it is the third option listed. Repeat the above steps for users like teachers, TAs, and students.